What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. And yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy, the Wing King, Spinelli, for another easy and delicious recipe. I'm gonna show you guys today how to make spicy balsamic wings. Yes, guys, when I tell you this recipe is delicious, you're gonna love it. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. So let me tell you what we have here. Right here, I have sugar in the back right here. We're going to use some Public Green Wise chicken wings, balsamic vinegar, sweet chili sauce, some kosher salt. Right here, I have some soy sauce, some ginger juice, sesame seeds, some minced garlic, curry powder, and 1 lime. So these are the ingredients, guys. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, so I've already measured out the ingredients and I've cut and cleaned our chicken. So let me tell you what we have here. Right here, I have about 1.5 pounds of fresh chicken wings. I have a teaspoon of garlic. I have 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seeds. I have 1/2 cup of water. I have 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I have 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. So these are the ingredients all measured out, guys. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is season our chicken. And the only thing we're gonna season our chicken with is this kosher salt. So we're gonna add our kosher salt. Now that's about 1/2 teaspoon and 1/2 to 2 teaspoons. And we're just gonna go ahead and just mix it up like this. Just wanna get those bad babies salted up. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna bring our pan in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray. I've already lined it with aluminum foil. That helps for easy cleanup. And now what we're gonna do is we're going to take our chicken pieces and we're gonna put them skin side down, 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart. All right, guys, so I've already preheated the oven to 450 degrees. And what we're gonna do is we're going to stick them in the oven and we're gonna let them cook for 25 minutes. Then after that, we're gonna flip them over and we're gonna allow them to cook for an additional 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and add these wings in the oven and I'll be right back. All right, so we are 25 minutes in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start flipping these over to the other side. And I know you guys saying, man, he just put salt on these things? Guys, trust the Wing King. Just flip these bad babies over. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them back in the oven and let them cook for another 20 minutes. And then we're going to pull them out and then we're going to continue with the recipe. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so while our chicken is finishing up the last 20 minutes, what we're going to do is we're going to start preparing our sauce. And what we're going to do is we're just going to start adding all our ingredients into our pan. We'll start with our balsamic vinegar, our soy sauce, the sugar, our water, lime juice, our ginger juice, our minced garlic, curry powder, and we're gonna add our chili sauce. And we're gonna have, bring this up to temperature just a little bit to medium high and let it come to a boil as the sauce thickens. As you can see, we're coming to a boil and we're gonna keep it at medium high heat. We don't wanna burn it or overcook it. And we're just gonna allow this to thicken up. And remember, keep this to a low boil because you want it to thicken, but you don't want to overcook it. And this probably could take maybe about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so now we have completed our 45 minutes in the oven. So take a look at this, guys. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add this to our sauce. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so let's start adding our chicken. And yes, this is where that flavor is going to come from right here. What we're gonna do, guys, we're just going to Get this all mixed up like this. So this could take, you know, keep it on medium high heat, and this could take about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. And guys, this is the look you want. You want them charred like this. Oh man, this looks great. Oh man, look at this. All right guys, so it looks like we're done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, and let's take a look at this. Let's grab one of them. To all my people that love the flats, look at that flat. Oh yeah. All right, so guys, I'm gonna get these bad babies on a plate, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. Spicy balsamic glazed wings. Man, I tell you, these things look delicious. Oh man, I can't wait to go ahead and do the quality control. So let me go ahead and let you guys know that the ingredients, the measurements, the links to the ingredients, all in the video description below if you need them. Also, that All Wings Everything merch, guys. I appreciate you guys for supporting the merch and supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get into this quality control, because I know you guys want to know how these bad babies taste. Look at this. I'm gonna just pick one right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, look how charred. Look at the char on it. Oh. All right, guys. I'll be right back. All right, so it's time for quality control. We all love this part of the recipe, especially me, because I'm the one that's actually eating it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this drum here, and I'm gonna bite into, oh, look how sticky it is. Oh man. Got a little spiciness to it, but not overpowered. I know you're gonna love these. Let me grab another one. Let me get one of these flats. You gotta love the flats. I'm a drum guy, but I eat these flats too. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, All Wings Everything. And I'm gonna get back to eating. I'm out. Peace.